Hi there, Sheffield Panthers. This is Dr. Weber, and I'm so excited to be doing our very first Student of the Month for the month of September. This month, our character trait was prepare for success, be proactive. What were our teachers looking for? They were looking for students who can say, I am a responsible person. I take initiative. I choose my actions, attitudes, and moods. I do not blame others for my mistakes. I can only be offended if I choose to be. So who were those fourth grade students this month? Let's find out. Our first student is for Miss Forrester's class, and it is Neil. And Miss Forrester said, Neil is our class student of the month for September. Neil was voted by his classmates for always ready for class and staying on task. As one peer said, I'm voting for Neil because he works hard, he's always on task, and he is nice to others. He has shown maturity and leadership skills in many group situations. I am proud that Neil is representing our class as Student of the Month. Awesome job, Neil. Next, I have Brady from Miss Stifler's class. And Miss Stifler said, our September Student of the Month is Brady. Brady has shown time and time again that he is a responsible person. Our classmates voted for him because he makes good choices and works hard. One of Brady's classmates said, he tries to help others and he is a good friend. I can't be prouder of Brady. Awesome job, Brady. Next is Jamie from Miss Fischeletti's class. And Miss Fischeletti said, Jamie is our Student of the Month for September. Jamie is very responsible, takes initiative, and is always in a positive mood. Jamie holds herself accountable for her actions and never blames anyone else. Jamie is definitely prepared for success. Awesome job, Jamie. Then I have Leonardo from Miss Haraslak's class. And Miss Haraslak said, Leonardo is the perfect choice for Student of the Month. He is responsible and aware the choices he makes affect his learning. He always has a positive attitude and is always ready to learn. He is sweet, helpful, and mature. He is such a pleasure to have in class and is a role model for his fellow students. Those are such wonderful things to hear. Awesome job, Leonardo. Next is Miley from Miss Payton's class. And Miss Payton said, Miley always comes to school prepared and with a positive growth mindset. She shows responsibility every day by completing her work, staying focused, and helping others. Miley is such a joy to have in class. Excellent job, Miley. And finally, I have Kerrigan from Miss McCurdy's class. And Miss McCurdy said Kerrigan is always proactive. She takes initiative in her learning. Kerrigan always chooses to do the right thing. She is a great role model for her class. We are proud of all the hard work she has been doing. Awesome job, Kerrigan, and awesome job to all the fourth graders. And we can't wait to see who gets chosen next month. Have a great day. Bye.